Hello everyone, my name is Irina, and today I'm going to guide you through the creative process of creating an animation transforming pattern pieces into 3D garment in Style3D. Whether you're looking to add new skill to your workflow or just want to try something for fun, I hope you'll find this tutorial helpful. So let's get started!
Welcome to our project walkthrough. Let's dive in. First things first, save your project as an OBJ file. If the avatar isn't necessary, feel free to deselect that option. You also have the choice to save only selected patterns, which is handy if you don't need the full garment transformation. Once that's set, let's tidy up the workspace by arranging our pattern pieces. This will make them look neater and more organized. With all patterns selected, head over to the 3D window. Click the menu and choose Reset 2D Arrangement to auto-arrange the patterns. If the result doesn't quite match your vision, manual adjustments are your next step to perfection. After you are happy with the arrangement, export the project as an OBJ file again. Next, clear the stage by deleting all the pattern pieces. Now we can import the first OBJ file we saved earlier as our avatar. Following that, import the second OBJ file, setting the load type to Add as Pose. Now let's animate. In the animation editor, add your pose and decide the length of your animation. Scrub through the timeline to preview the animation, ensuring it's just right. To give your design a personal backdrop, add a background scene of your choice. After setting the scene, initiate the test render to check the lighting conditions. This step is crucial for ensuring the light showcases your design in the best way. Animation time. Place keyframes at both the beginning and the end of your timeline. Find the best camera angle to highlight your designs. And once you're satisfied, apply cover camera track to your selected keyframes to lock in the angle. With the animation and camera set, it's time to render. Tick the option to save your frames as images. Choose where to save them and begin the process by clicking Local Rendering. As the rendering wraps up, transition to Adobe Premiere. Import your images by selecting the first one and checking Image Sequence, which converts the images into a video. Drag this onto the timeline. Then right-click the video, select Speed Duration and choose Reverse Speed to play your animation backwards. After that, import the video image once more, this time without the image sequence ticked, adding a static image to the end of your timeline. Adjust the duration to hold the final frame as desired. And there you have it! Your video is ready for the spotlight. The last step is to export your creation. Go to Export, save your video, and prepare to impress with your animated designs, now ready for the world to see. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.